electric current and its effect. You might have tried the game How Do You See Is Your Hand suggest in chapter 12 of class 6. If not, you may try it now. Pahli and Bozo had also set up the game by connecting the electric circuit as suggested in class 6. They had lot of fun trying it out with the families and friends. They enjoyed it as it so much they decided to suggest it to the constitution of theirs who started in drawing showing in the various electric components wire to be connected. यहाँ पे दिया है कि पहली और बोझों ने पिछले साल एक गेम खेला था, उसी में और लोगों ने बहुत मज़े किए थे, उसी के बारे में लिखा है. Symbols of electrical components. Some electric components can be represented by symbols in table 14.1. Some electric components and their symbols are shown. You may came across the different symbols of these components in different books. However, in this book, we shall be using the house, but in this book we shall be using the symbols shown here. Look at the symbols carefully in the symbol. यहाँ पे कहाँ होती है सम 14.1. हाँ, यहाँ दिया है वो. For the switch on position and off position are represented by the symbols as shown. Wires used to connect the various components in the circuit represented by the lines. इसमें दिया है कि स्विच ऑन और ऑफ जब होता है सर्किट तब उसके लिए अलग अलग सिंबल्स यूज़ होते हैं. For switch, the on position and switch off position are represented by the symbols as shown. The wires to connect the various components in the circuit are represented by the lines. In table 14.1, the battery and its symbols are shown. Do you know connect components in the circuit by the line? Battery and its symbols are also shown. Do you know what a battery is? इसमें दिया है कि आपको बताया होगा कि सिंबल बताया होगा, पर आपको क्या पता है कि बैटरी क्या होती है? What battery is? Look a symbol of a battery you can make out of battery could be. For some of the activities we may need more than one cell, so we connect two or more cells together as shown in figure 14.2. Notice ये रही था 14.1 14.2 ये रही था. बैटरी शो किया है कि कितने सारे एक साथ से लगते हैं. Notice that the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of next cell. Such a combination of two or more cells is called a battery. Negative terminal is connected to positive terminal. It is known as a battery. When the two wires are there, two terminals of a cell are there, negative and positive terminal. When they are connected with a wire, then it is known as a battery. Many devices such as torches, transmitters, toys, TV remotes use the batteries. However, in some of these devices, the electric cells are not always placed one after the other, as shown in figure 14.2. Sometimes these cells are placed side by side. Then how are the terminals of the cell connected? कभी कभार सेल के टर्मिनल्स एक साथ नहीं होते चिपके हुए, एक दूसरे के नीचे होते हैं, तब वो कनेक्ट कैसे होते हैं? Placed after the shown in, sometimes the cell placed one by side. How they connected? Look carefully inside the battery compartment of any device. There is usually a thick wire or metallic cap connecting the positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of the next cell. एक वायर होती है जो कनेक्ट करती है पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल एक सेल की दूसरे नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से. इस केस में negative positive terminal to the cell and negative terminal to next cell. In order to help to place the cells correctly in the battery component, plus equal to symbols are usually painted there. How we connect the cells to prepare batteries for art activities? You many make a cell holder as shown in figure 14.4 using the wooden block, two, two iron strips and the rubber bands. It is necessary. We can connect the cells to prepare batteries. हम सेल्स को कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं बैटरी बनाने के लिए. इन आर एक्टिविटीज़, अपने एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए you may make a cell holder as shown in figure 14.4 using the wooden block for two icon strip band. It is necessary. हम एक ये है था बैटरी होल्डर. हम एक सेल होल्डर बना सकते हैं इस चीज़ के लिए, ये ज़रूरी है. यहाँ से the rubber band hold the metal strips tightly. कहाँ पे थे? It is necessary that the rubber band hold the metal strip tightly. बैंड जो है वो रबर को टाइटली पैक कर ले. You could also buy the cell holders from the market for making batteries for two or more cell electric cells. आप सेल होल्डर बाज़ार से खरीद सकते हैं सेल बनाने के लिए.